So, we're not going to be learning about variables. Variables, you probably didn't learn this in elementary. Maybe you didn't learn this in elementary. Some people have. What it is what we're going to be learning about. We want variables to be alone, meaning to figure out what the variable would, what number equals that variable, like x equals 7, like that. A variable is where it's a letter that substitutes a number. So it's taking its bulky arms, throwing away that 7 to replace it. That x did. So, what are we So we are going to be doing addition with variables, subtraction with variables, multiplication, and division with variables. Okay? Our goal is to have that variable alone. We want it to cry. We want all of that. So, the last time I tried to make this video, but my dog ruined it, was 4 plus x equals 7 as here. But would it be, it's kind of like, we don't need that x there. What if we didn't substitute that number? What if it was just a blank space? Well, we'd get something we've probably seen in first grade or second grade, kindergarten probably. So, 4 plus x gives us 7, or should I say 4 plus blank gives us 7. What would we do? Well, we would do subtraction. What's 7 minus 4? It's 3. So, let's see if it fits. 4 plus blank gives us 7. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. It works. Now, what would we have next? 11 minus p gives us 7. 11 minus p gives us 7. What would we figure out what p would be? Well, what we could do is, remember family trees? And that stuff, family trees, not family trees, but, those family things like 4 plus 3 gives us 7, 3 plus 4 gives us 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, how they always end up to be the number. Well, 11 minus p gives us 7 is the same as doing 11 minus 7 gives us blank. What's 11 minus 7? It's 4. After that, now we're going to do, what comes after, did you understand this? If you did, keep on going. If you didn't, maybe you'd want to rewind it a bit. Because now we're going to be doing multiplication with variables. So let's say we had that 70 equals 49. We'd have to know what d equals. Or, how if a variable's, when a variable is next to a number, it means to multiply. So 7 times d gives us 49, it says. Or 7 times blank gives us 49. What would we do to figure out that missing number? We'd use the opposite operation. Now, this may take you a little. Do 49 divided by 7. Pause the video if you aren't too fast at it, because okay, so did you get your answer? You should have gotten 7. Because 7 times 7 is 49. Now, we're going to do, the opposite of multiplication would be division. A over 5 gives us 20. See that? And now, put in percent and all that stuff. What could we figure out? You know how we did the 7 times D gives us 49? What would we now use? We would use multiplication. Now, since there's an A, we could just leave it at. Since that, we could just put it blank over 5 equals 20. So, remember how you probably learned this in 5th grade? When there's when it's a fraction, it's also the same as dividing. So, that's really, fractions are really division.
Can you do that? Sorry.
So, now, what we're going to do is multiply our little 20 to our denominator. What is 20 times 5? Or here's a little trick to divide by 5. Just divide by 2. Just take your number, divide it by 2, then multiply by 10. Because 10 divided by 2 is 5. That's how it works out. So, you should have got the answer 100. A is 100. So, congratulations. Congratulations into learning on how to make those variables cry.